The first Model A Fords were built in 1927, and production was well below Ford's abilities at first. By the end of the year, Ford records showed that only 4,186 vehicles had been assembled. There were many prototype vehicles assembled earlier in the year, but official production didn't start until October 21st of that year. There are no known production numbers for the pre-production prototypes. All Model A's were assembled at the Rouge plant in Dearborn, Michigan, until December 19th, which is when the Kearney, New Jersey plant also started production. When the Model A was first introduced, Ford listed these 6 body styles as being the initial offerings: the two-door, the four-door, the Roadster, the Coupe, the Sport Coupe, and the Phaeton. The four-door was not produced in 1927 despite being in the press during the launch of the Model A. Here's the breakdown of how many of these very early Model A's were built. Coming in at 99 units produced was a bare chassis. Ford sold these chassis to independent bodybuilders or businesses that wanted to make a custom body to fit their needs. The only sheet metal that came on the chassis was everything from the cowl forward. Anything else was up to the buyer to supply. Next, we have the Phaeton, with 221 examples assembled in 1927. Roadster production was the next in line, with 269 cars built. Ford didn't offer any pickups or other light commercial vehicles on the 103-inch chassis in 1927, but they did assemble 286 AA trucks that year. The Coupe comes in at number 3 on the production list, with 629 of the closed car being assembled. Second highest in production numbers for 1927 was the Sport Coupe. 734 of these elegant closed cars rolled out of Ford plants in 1927. If you know much about the Model A, you won't be surprised to know that the two-door sedan was the most produced Model A in 1927. 1,948 were built, representing nearly half of all the Model A's built in 1927. The first production car built on October 21st was a two-door, and so was the first car off the Kearney, New Jersey assembly line in December. By December 30th, 1927, Ford had stamped 5,275 engine blocks at the Rouge, destined to be put into future Model A's. 4,200 vehicles built in less than 3 months was a slow start for what would eventually be nearly 5 million Model A's. As always, we hope you continue to enjoy a Model A.